All right, what's up, guys? So right now we are in the iMarketsLive.com members area. So pretty much what happens when you log in, you'll be brought to the home screen, and you can select any of the trading products, so on and so forth. So that way you can pretty much take advantage of it. So I'm in one of my customers' accounts over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first give you an inside look on IML Academy and also iMarkets Live TV, IML TV. So uh, really quickly, as you already know, because you got introduced to this during the presentation phase of it all, IML Academy is the full-scale online suite. Now, you'll have the topics listed over here, okay, and each topic includes several lessons. All right, so this is really, really good, informative stuff, high level education here, especially when it comes to, teaching people Forex, the beginnings of Forex, and how you can take advantage of the market, so on and so forth, different styles, different strategies, different tactics, different tools you can utilize for technical, fundamental trading of all sorts. And guys, let me tell you something, this is absolutely phenomenal. So if you're just getting started with this, you want to make sure you go through basics 1 through 4, starting off, and then you move on your way to IML TV. Now, here is the truth. Okay, the truth is IML TV is the biggest product in the IML suite. Okay, it is the biggest product. In my opinion, it is the flagship product of iMarkets Live. Now, there's two types of sessions that you'll have access to when you access IML TV. The first type of session is the trading education sessions. These are the sessions where you're actually going to be learning, all right, trading techniques, styles, strategies, so on and so forth, and you can actually interact with the trainers in real time. Ask your questions to get your answers. The second type of sessions that go on in the IMO TV sessions is trading sessions where you are actually able to trade, okay, following the experts live in real time. So you can trade and get paid. And guys, quick disclaimer, past results never guarantees future results. All right, that's standard in all forms of investing. Every single day is unique. All right, that's just how it works, right? So the IMO TV, okay, you can access the live training schedule right over here. Okay, now you'll get access to the crypto education sessions, all right, English, regular Forex sessions, binary options, web analyzer, and you have these available in multiple different languages. Okay, so it's really cool. Let's say we go over here to crypto education, crypto English. All right, you'll get access to the schedule right over here with all the different experts over here, okay? And you could tune into any one of these guys, any one of those, all right? Now let's go back real quick. Now, when we click onto the English sessions, you see that we have basics, London sessions, New York sessions, all types of different sessions that are going on. And we have a lot of people, all right, a lot of educators on here and a lot of traders on here that is more willing and able to answer any one of your questions and able to trade right in front of your face. So again, there's two types of sessions, education sessions and also live trading sessions, okay? Now let's go over here to binary options, okay? And here's the schedule for binary options, Tuesdays through Wednesdays, all right? And let me tell you something, guys. This is phenomenal, right? Now let's go to Web Analyzer English, and here we go. We have all these different trainings, okay, utilizing the Web Analyzer. All right. Now, if you miss any one of these sessions, that's absolutely okay, because then you can access the recordings. And a lot of these recordings actually include just basic lessons, all right, which is really awesome. All right. So you can get access to the sessions. You can also get access to You can also get access to like pre-recorded lessons, so on and so forth. So here's pretty much the inside look, all right, of IML Academy and IML TV. All right. So quick recap, guys. When you go into your back office, all right, you can access the IML Academy right there. You get Basics 1, Basics 2, Basics 3, Basics 4, all right, and everything else, all right, even as advanced as market geometry. And again, you can get access to the IML TV schedule, so on and so forth, guys. So with that said, I hope this video was helpful. Here's the inside look. All right, do not sleep on IML TV and IML Academy, guys. All right, take care, stay blessed. See you on the other side.